I'm Jayaraj.
I'm Alex.
Is Alex. We are coming from Bangalore.
We are brothers
Three brothers and one sister. We five of us have come
from
and
Bangalore,
from
Karnataka.
Bangalore, and it is a long desire to see Father Saint Francis
We waited
relics
for 10
body.
years.
Waited for 10 years. God has given us now time to see that relics of the body of Saint Xavier. We were very happy. We are blessed. We always thank God for this opportunity God given to us.
All five brother and sister you are here?
Yeah.
From Bangalore, Karnataka. We are five of us. We came. We are three brothers, one sister and sister-in-law.
But where you stay now?
We are staying in
St. Joseph was Renewal Retreat Center.
How was your experience about this Saint Francis Xavier?
Very
They were very
devotional.
devotional.
Every year you are coming here or
No.
first time?
This is the first time.
Second time we are coming.